Understanding product life cycle in product management. The product life cycle is a fundamental concept in product management that outlines the stages a product goes through, from its introduction to its eventual decline. Understanding the PLC helps businesses make strategic decisions regarding marketing, pricing, innovation, and resource allocation at each stage. The four key stages of the product life cycle are introduction, growth, maturity, and decline, each presenting unique challenges and opportunities for product managers. The product life cycle is graphically represented as follows. Importance of product life cycle management. Managing the product life cycle effectively allows companies to adapt to market changes and extend the profitability of their offerings. By making informed decisions at each stage, businesses can enhance product longevity and maintain a strong competitive edge. Stage 1. Introduction. The introduction stage begins when a product is first launched into the market. At this stage, product awareness is low, and companies focus on attracting early adopters. Significant investment is made in marketing, research, and distribution to establish the product's presence. Sales are typically slow, and profitability is low due to high development and promotional costs. Product managers focus on establishing a strong brand presence and refining their value proposition to gain early adopters. The introduction stage is where a product makes its debut in the market. Since customers are unfamiliar with it, companies invest heavily in advertising and promotional efforts to generate awareness. Sales tend to be low at this stage as consumers take time to evaluate and adopt the product. If the product is highly innovative, it may have little to no competition initially. Businesses focus on refining product features based on early user feedback. A classic example is the launch of a flagship smartphone, where tech companies employ extensive marketing strategies to highlight unique features and attract early adopters. Stage 2. Growth. Once a product gains traction, it enters the growth stage, marked by increasing demand and rising sales. At this point, businesses aim to expand market share, optimize production efficiency, and improve profitability. Competitors may enter the market, leading to increased competition and the need for differentiation strategies. In the growth stage, consumer adoption increases significantly, leading to a rapid rise in sales. As the product gains recognition, businesses expand their distribution channels to reach a wider audience. However, competition also intensifies, requiring companies to differentiate themselves through superior features, competitive pricing, or exceptional customer service. Profitability improves as economies of scale reduce production costs. A strong example of this stage is the EV industry, where increasing adoption has driven competition among manufacturers, leading to better innovations and wider market availability. Stage 3. Maturity. The maturity stage is when a product reaches peak market penetration. Sales growth slows, and competition is at its highest. To maintain profitability, companies focus on cost reduction, brand loyalty, and incremental innovations. Price wars and promotional campaigns become common strategies to sustain market share. The maturity stage is when market saturation occurs, meaning most potential customers already own the product. Sales growth slows, and competition is at its peak, often leading to price wars. Businesses must focus on customer retention, brand loyalty, and operational efficiency to maintain profitability. Companies introduce product variations, limited-time offers, or rebranding efforts to sustain interest. A great example is the soft drink industry, where brands like Coca-Cola and Pepsi remain competitive through innovative packaging, seasonal flavors, and loyalty rewards, keeping consumers engaged. Stage 4. Decline. In the decline stage, demand for the product begins to fall due to changing consumer preferences, technological advancements, or market saturation. Companies must decide whether to rejuvenate the product, phase it out, or shift focus to newer offerings. In the decline stage, consumer demand decreases due to changing preferences, technological advancements, or market saturation. Companies gradually scale back marketing and production efforts as maintaining profitability becomes difficult. Some businesses may attempt to extend the product's life through discounts or repositioning strategies, while others phase it out entirely. A clear example is the DVD player, which has become obsolete due to the rise of streaming services like Netflix and Disney+. As a result, manufacturers have either discontinued production or shifted their focus to newer entertainment technologies. To summarize, understanding the product life cycle is crucial for product managers to develop effective strategies at each stage. By recognizing where a product stands, companies can optimize pricing, marketing, and innovation to maximize profitability and longevity. Adapting to market trends and consumer needs ensures that products remain competitive and continue to deliver value throughout their life cycle.